Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can easily create a page on Facebook. So to create any page on your Facebook account, you have to first of all open your Facebook app. After you open the Facebook app, you will see on the top right corner three-line menu button. You have to click on it. Then you will see an option below see more. You have to click on it. Then you will see an option called pages. You have to click on it. Then you will see an option called create here. After click on create, then you have to click on get started. Then you will type any page name that you want to create. Like I am randomly selecting like cars. Then I will click on next. Then you will select the type of category in which you want your page to get popular. Then you have to click on create. After this you have to select any of the option, like you want to promote your product or services, or you want to just create a content. Like I want to just create a content, I will select on the second option. Then click on continue. Then here you can add pictures and profiles like you do in your normal ID or profile. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to click on next. Here you can enable the marketing and promotional emails and all. I don't want to enable, so I am disabling them. Then I'll click on done. It is switching profile. Like you can see that page is created. It's taking time. I will go back and show it to you again. You can see that this page is created. Like you can see car hack, the page I created in front of you in this video. Like this you can also make any page on Facebook account. I hope this worked for you. Thanks for watching this video.